Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got something very different to show you. It's another unboxing video, but it's sexy undies. And this is what it looks like. It's a tiny little box, and this is Empress Mini, and I've got a House of Frillies box. That's what it looks like there. So as you can probably imagine what is inside. So if you're new to Empress Mini subscription box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious to see what knickers I've been sent, then I'll add a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. So Empress Mini is a lingerie subscription box. It's based in London, it ships worldwide, it's free shipping within the UK. Shipping is calculated at checkout for the rest of the world. It's available as a monthly subscription box where you're able to skip a month if you want to, and they also do a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost, and you can cancel any time. They also do, which I think is amazing, a 14-day exchange or refund policy. If you receive an item but it doesn't fit or you don't like the style, etc., you have got that option to ask for a refund or to exchange it for something else. This is essentially a surprise subscription box, so you don't get to choose what items you're going to get, but they do 3 different boxes, so you get an idea of the type of things you'll be getting. So they say with all boxes you will be saving at least 50% off the retail value of each item, and all boxes get sent out around the 7th of the month. Obviously if you're out of the UK that might take a little longer to get to you, but you will get it. So the 3 choices then, you've got the House of Frillies box, which is what I've got. It costs £14.95 a month, and inside you get a pair of undies. Get a pair of knickers, pair of panties, whatever you like to call them. So you get to choose your size, but you don't know if you're going to be getting briefs, thongs or lacy panties. So the next box up is called the Queen box, and that costs £39.95. So in that box you either get a set of lingerie, so that means a top and a bottom piece, or you get matching combinations of, say, bodysuits and negligees, and again you get to choose your size. And then the last box then, which is the bigger box, is called the Empress box, and that will cost you £119.95, and inside you will receive a matching set of lingerie, exactly the same as the Queen box, but also you get accessories. You'll have kimonos, you'll have jewellery, plus you'll get the odd naughty treat or two, like tassels and whips and things like that. So when you choose your size, you get to see your size in UK, European and US, I believe. There is lots of conversions there. It's easy to work out anyway, but there's a bit of information about it on there. And it starts from extra small, which is a size UK 4 to 6, and then it goes up to extra extra large, which is a UK size 16 to 18. So I'm a 16, so I've gone for an extra large, which is a UK 14 to 16. It's better for me to have underwear that's a little bit tight than too baggy, because no one likes baggy pants, do they? They're annoying as heck. So I thought, right, I'll chance it. And I've tried them on and they fit fine. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Everything related to this box and the subscription and all the other boxes that I've talked about, I will link down below. If you click on the show more underneath this video, that will bring up a description and everything will be listed down there. So I used a 40% off code to get this one. If I can find that code again, I will list it down below. So yeah, so let's show you what I got. Oh, before I do that, actually, I don't know whether this is because it's the first time I'm subscribing to this box or not, but I got this as well, which I'll show you. So we've got some bunny ears. Oh, you're not going to be able to see my wonky ears. But yeah, so it's got a picture of it on there. So I don't know whether everyone receives something like this in their first box or not, but yeah, let me know if you subscribe to this subscription box or if you're about to. Let me know, please let me know when I unbox my next month one. Or I've skipped a month. I'm going to be doing this every other month, I think. So if you do get the subscription for yourself, let me know in one of the comments down below. So we got a little leaflet in here, so I'll read that in a little while. But look at this. That is so pretty. Got a little pouch. Dear Empress, the Honey Bunny box was inspired by Empress Elizabeth of Austria, also known as Sisi, a woman as well known for her beauty as a rebellious streak. When not writing poetry, taking great care of her hair, or exploring the world, one could find her exerting her political prowess by taking the lead on the unification of Austria and Hungary. Never one to be held down whenever the pressures and expectations of her husband, mother-in-law and general responsibilities of the royal life became overbearing, she would promptly pack a suitcase, or more realistically have one of her minions do so, and hop around Europe in search of new adventures. We hope this box reminds you to always keep your ears pricked up and never be scared to keep on hopping. Expectations and demands from others around you be damned. With love, Empress Mini. And it's got here what's in your box. In my box it says a luxurious set of undies made from revealing tulle applique with delicate floral arrangement. This pair has a flattering low-rise shape and is the perfect secret ally on your many adventures. And then it goes on to telling you what you'd receive if you had the Queen box and the Empress box. So it says, yes, stay calm and keep hopping. So maybe we get a different prop every month, I'm not sure. I'm excited to see what happens. This is all new to me. I just stumbled across it. I typed in unusual subscription boxes and yeah, this came up. We've got the returns and exchange sheet here, which needs to be filled in if I wanted a refund or anything. So that's that. And then we've got here, which I'm not going to be doing. Share your favourite Empress Mimi look for the chance to win a 3-month subscription. I'd love to win a 3-month subscription, but there's no chance. No chance of me showing off my undies on Instagram, unfortunately. So that's that. So let's show you then what I got. I hope we get one every month. That is lovely. Really, really nice. What's it say? House of Frillies by Empress Mimi, London. And these are my knickers. Completely see-through. Can you see? Except for a really gorgeous applique there. At first I thought they were thongs, and I'm not that keen on thongs in all honesty. Handy if I'm wearing trousers that are quite tight fitting, but other than that, it's like, I used to wear them in the 90s all the time, but I don't bother wearing them anymore, not really. They're just, yeah, not my thing. So no, I tried these on and they do fit me, they're fine. So they're completely see-through. Except for the gusset here and this gorgeous applique. Can you see clearly there? If I drop down and move out the way. So yeah, so that covers your lady bits. So that's my pair from this month's House of Frillies box. So I'm curious to see what next month will bring. The reason I subscribed to this because I thought it would be different. Plus I own really boring underwear, and I just thought, oh, do you know what? Why don't I just live a little? Why don't I just like have something surprise? If I went out to the shop and bought some underwear, it'd be like, I'm very choosy and very particular, and it'd be like, oh, I can't be bothered. But having something like this, I thought, yeah, it'd be quite exciting to have, and just nice knowing that I have some nice undies in my wardrobe. So yeah, as far as quality is concerned, it looks quite good quality. It's branded by Empress Mimi. It doesn't look as if it's cheaply made. There's no little bits hanging off or anything like that. It's done nicely. It's done really nicely. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please let me know if you subscribe to the subscription box, and let me know if you get the Queen box or the Empress box, what type of things that you get. I'd love to hear. But yeah, if you don't subscribe, is this a box that interests you? Or if not, I'd love to know. We're all different and I'd love to hear your opinion. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please leave me a big like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.